Slovin's formula is a powerful tool in research, especially when determining sample sizes. It's essential for ensuring that your findings are statistically valid. The formula is simple. N equal N, 1 plus N, E2, where N is the sample size, N is the population size, and E is the margin of error. Let's break it down. First, you need to know your total population. This could be anything from students in a school to customers in a store. Then, decide on your margin of error, which reflects how much you're willing to accept in terms of accuracy. A smaller margin means a larger sample size, which can be more resource-intensive but yields more reliable results. Once you plug in your numbers, the formula gives you a clear picture of how many participants you need. This not only saves time and money, but also enhances the credibility of your research. Remember, a well-calculated sample size can make the difference between a groundbreaking study and a flawed one. So, embrace Slovin's formula and elevate your research game.